All right, guys, we're going to do another round of hit draft. So let's not talk of values or what card should be picked at what place, what pick. We'll bust all the boxes, show the cards, and then we'll proceed with the draft afterwards. All right, thanks again, everyone, for getting in this one. Here we go. All right, we're going to go hard 6, 3 and 3. All right, here we go. We're going 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last final time is 6. All right, Fab, Pierre, 808 Alexis, Fab, 808 Alexis, Superfractor, Athletic, Howard, Athletic, Master of Coin, FML, Athletic, 808 Bucks, Athletic, and Pierre on the very bottom. All right, let's go and get started. Thanks again, everyone. Sorry, Dale. Dale got crushed on that one this time. All right, good luck, everybody. All right, we got Don Most, purple. Don Most, purple ice. That is numbered 1 out of 7. 1 out of 7. All right, we got Cheech. That is 4 out of 50. Got Billy Bobby Brown. That is numbered 10 out of 15. And dual autograph, Cheech and Chong. That's numbered 15 out of 25. Plate autograph right on top. This is Wink Martindale. Use the ballpoint pen, looks like. All right, we got Delta Burke. That is numbered 1 out of 10. We got Eileen Quinn, Black Ice. That is 1 out of 5. And our cut is Hillary and Chelsea Clinton. All right, we got Dobrev, blue autograph, Heartbreakers, 1 out of 15. We got green PMG, Charlene Tilton. That is 1 out of 7. And we got Heather Thomas, Heartbreakers, black. That is 5 out of 10. And our cut is Wiz Khalifa. I'm not sure. He was too busy with Monica, I think, at the time when they were signing. Yes, I get upper deck, but I don't know if I'll get a whole lot right off the bat. Most likely, like in other sports, it's going to be like loose boxes, not full cases of stuff. So we'll do like single, small 2-box, single box breaks, and then we'll move on to. I might buy cases separately. All right, we got a red, Scott Braille and Marion Ross, 2 out of 2 on that one. We got Lisa Rinna. Number 2, 5 out of 24. Getting all our cut autographs. Jeremy Renner. Number 2 out of 50. And Ava Gardner. What year is this? 1980. Ava Gardner. Cut autograph. 3 cuts so far. Alright, last one. Alright. It is going to be Angie Dickinson, purple. Number 8 out of 20. We got George Lopez, 5 out of 50. Michael Madsen, 49 out of 50. And the last one is Creed Bratton, super. Classic Rolls 101. All right, that is the break. Thanks again, everybody. We'll proceed to the draft. All right, that is it.